Having a good body strength depends on our overall health and immunity. Decreased body strength means we feel exhausted and tired all the time. Due to stress, the immunity is somehow weakened. We suffer from more physical exertion and have decreased tolerance for pain and fatigue. There are some best foods that can increase immunity and heal your body. Here are 7 best foods that will provide you energy and increase body strength. Bananas, rich in natural sugars such as sucrose, glucose, and fructose. It provides you with an instant energy and strength. Broccoli, rich in vitamin C, which gives strength to the body and boosts immunity. Yogurt, rich in calcium, which may prevent osteoporosis, reduce muscle cramping, and protect your bones from fractures. Spinach. Spinach is potent in nitrates, becoming nitric oxide in the body, rich in iron and vitamins, which alleviates weakness and fatigue. Apples, rich in vitamin C and B, complex which fights tiredness and increase body strength. Peanut, rich in zinc and essential fatty acids, which increase body strength and prevents infertility. Watermelon, rich in vitamin C and consists of 90% of water. They prevent you from dehydration and boost energy levels. The guests in your team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The tutorial code does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.